Hello friends, welcome to Technical RPA. This video we are going to talk about the different type of passivity. So last video we saw about that. In passivity we have simple ratio, how we can calculate, how we can match two addresses and give a ratio based on the sequence. For this video we can use the same passivity but different type of ratio types we can check on it. So usually the passivity is a string matching algorithm like a boss. So it internally uses Lewinson distance to calculate the difference between sequences in a simple to use package. Here you can see this is a simple ratio. I'm calculating simple ratio. Already I imported passivity. Here you can see from passivity I'm importing only the first. From passivity you can import first or process, so whatever it may be. So here I'm importing first. I'm calculating ratio between two strings. This is my first string and this is my second string. You can see the only difference is one special character. So I'm printing simple ratio. It's showing 97. This is simple ratio calculation. The second one is partial ratio. The partial ratio as well like ratio, but here you can see the keyword which I'm using is partial underscore ratio. I'm using the same string, like this is a test, this is a test with simple. So just I'm running on it, it's showing 100. So what is the difference between simple ratio which we calculate earlier and partial ratio? So when we are calculating partial ratio, so it will take only the words which is having the matches between two strings. But when we check with simple ratio, it will match words as well as simples as well. The third thing is short ratio. So here you can see token underscore short ratio. This is short ratio. So this is our string Vasi was a beer and Vasi was a beer. So just I'm changing the wordings. Simply I'm checking on it. You can see it shorting is showing as 100. Even though your words are changed, for example here I will comment out all the previous strings, only short ratio. Here you can see 100. So here I'm changing the words orders. Previously I have the order Vasi was a beer. Now I'm changing Vasi was a beer. So it both will match, but the thing is just a sequence I'm changing on it. So even though I'm changing the words from beginning to end and end to beginning, it's giving a result as 100 because I'm using as a short ratio. So if you see difference between short ratio and normal ratio, I will running on it. Normal ratio is showing 91 and short ratio it's showing matching percentages 100. I'm commenting out this one. And I'm coming to next point, set ratio. Here you can see the token set ratio. This is my string 1, this is my string 2. Just I'm running on it, it's showing 100. The set ratio, how it will work set ratio. So now I'm giving difference, the same word, short ratio and set ratio, I'm running on it. You can see short ratio, it's giving us 84 and set ratio giving us 100. So how it work, the set ratio, my string 1 is Percy was a bear. My string 2 is Percy was a bear. So even though the Percy is coming 2 times, it's taking and matching as a set, because here single Percy and it is a double Percy. So it's matching as a set, and here you can see was a bear is remain same. Suppose I'm giving 3 Percys. Just I'm checking how it works. Here you can see 100. Even though I'm making as a 3 times the word as a Percy, it's giving us 100. Suppose I'm changing, instead of was is, now it will change the ratio. Here you can see the ratio has been changed as 90, because my first string is Percy was a bear, my second string is a bear. So that is the only change, it reducing 10% of ratio. Now the address matches, now the string matches only 90%. So these are all the types of persistency to match two strings. The first thing is normal ratio calculation. The second thing is partial ratio. The third one is token sort ratio. Even though if you change the words as end to first, first to end, you can change the sequence. It will give you a exact ratio. And fourth one is set ratio. Set ratio, short ratio, partial ratio, and normal ratio. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this.